wheel and put on different shapes of wheels. Take a look at tracks from different shapes, and you'll know which one is the steadiest. Let's design a toy car. Little designers, what do we need for making a toy car? Let's take a look. Body. Axle. Different shapes of wheels. Let's pick the materials for the car. Toothpaste box, milk cart truck. Paper roll train. Toothpaste box, milk cart truck. Pencil and chopstick. Pencil and straw. Pencil and chopstick. Pencil and straw. Pencil and chopstick. Cardboard wheels. Toy wheels. Cardboard wheels. Toy wheels. Cardboard wheels. Toy wheels. Tap it and pick the materials for the... All done! Let's make a toy car. Cut the milk carton into the shape of a truck. Stick a driver sticker on it. Fill the holes. Put on the axles. Use pencil as the axle for the back so it will draw the track. Put on the axles. It's done. Put on circle wheels for the truck. It's done. Hurry up and load all the blocks on the track. Let's go deliver the goods. Stick paper on the wall. The point of the pencil has to be right next to wall so we can draw the track while the wheels are rolling. Drag the car and drive. Strong truck. Let's go. Take a good look at the track of the circle wheel. Circle wheel observation is done. Change to different shapes of wheels. Drag the car and keep going. What does the hexagon wheels track look like? Hexagon wheel observation is done. Change to different shapes of wheels. Drag the car and keep going. Take a look at square wheels track. Square wheel observation is done. Change to different shapes of wheels. Drag the car and keep going. Is the triangle wheels track a straight line? Triangle wheel observation is done. Let's take a look at these tracks. Circle wheel. Straight. Triangle wheel. Curving. Square wheel. Curved. Hexagon wheel. Also curved. Kids, take a look at those. That's right. circle wheel is the steadiest. Kids, collect the materials at home with your parents. Let's make a toy car. Put on different shapes of wheels and observe the track of the wheel.